Welcome F5SC students. Today we are going to discuss about type 4 differential equation. Example: solve d square minus 6d plus 13y is equal to e raised to 3x sin 2x. Solution: given differential equation is d square minus d plus 13 is equal to e raised to 3x sin 2x. The auxiliary equation is d square minus 6d plus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, this is the quadratic equation. Therefore, d is equal to minus b. Here minus 6, therefore here plus 6. Plus or minus b under root of b square minus 4ac. Minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac. Here 4 AC is 1 and C is 13. Therefore 13 4 are 52 and B square is 36. Under root of 36 minus 52 upon 2. Therefore D is equal to 3. 6 by 2 is 3 plus or minus minus 16. Therefore we get minus 4i. Therefore 4 upon 2, that is 2. Therefore plus or minus 2i are the roots of auxiliary equation. Here the value of alpha is 3, value of beta is 2. Therefore hence complementary function is equal to e raised to 3x c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Now particular integral is equal to 1 upon d square minus 6d plus 13 e raised to 3x sin 2x. We apply here e raised to 3x. E raised to 3x 1 upon d plus 3 bracket square minus 6 times d plus 3 plus 13 into sin 2x. Therefore after simplification e raised to 3x upon d square plus 4 sin 2x is equal to e raised to 3x in bracket minus x sin 2x upon 2 into 2. Therefore minus x e raised to 3x cos 2x upon 4. Hence general solution is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Y is equal to e raised to 3x in bracket c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x minus x e raised to 3x cos 2x upon 4. Now type 4 proposition. If d capital D is equal to dx and fd is a polynomial in D with constant coefficient, then 1 upon fd xv is equal to in bracket x minus 1 upon fd f dash d into bracket complete into 1 upon fd phi. Proof of this theorem proposition: let u be function of x by Leibniz theorem for any k belongs to set of natural. D raised to k in bracket xu is equal to x d raised to k u plus k d raised to k minus 1 into u. Suppose this is equation 1. Let fd is equal to d raised to n plus p1 d raised to n minus 1 plus p2 d raised to n minus 2 plus dash 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 plus pn. Suppose this is equation 2 where p1, p2, dash 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 pn are constant. Treating capital D as a variable and differentiating both sides of equation 2, we get derivative of fd is f dash d is equal to derivative of d raised to n is n d raised to n minus 1, here the print mistake, plus derivative of d raised to n minus 1 is n minus 1 p1 d raised to n minus 2, plus p2 derivative of d raised to n minus 2 is n minus 2 p2 d raised to n minus 3, plus dash dash dash, plus pn is constant, derivative of constant is 0, pn minus 1 d here, therefore derivative of d is 1. Suppose this is equation 3. Now fd xu is equal to d raised to n p1 d raised to n minus 1 plus p2 d raised to n minus 2 plus pn dash 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 pn bracket complete xu. Therefore is equal to d raised to n, we put in the bracket d raised to n xu plus p1 d raised to minus n minus 1 xu plus p2 d raised to n minus 2 xu plus dash 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 pn xu. Here x is common, d raised to n plus p1 d raised to n minus 1 plus p2 d raised to n minus 2 plus x plus dash 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 pn bracket complete u plus n d raised to n minus 1 plus n minus 1 p1 d raised to n minus 2 u, here u, here the print mistake, u here, plus n minus 2 p2 d raised to n minus 3 plus dash 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 plus pn minus 1 bracket complete u by using 1 is equal to x f du plus f dash du by using 2 and 3, that is fd xu is equal to x fd plus f dash du. If u is equal to 1 upon fd phi, where u is a function of x, equation 4 becomes, therefore fd is equation 4 becomes u is 1 upon d f phi, 1 upon fd phi, x into 1 upon fd phi is equal to x fd here u, here u is miss here, x fd 1 upon fd phi plus f dash d for u 1 upon fd phi, fd get cancelled, xv plus f dash d upon 1 upon fd phi is equal to xv, here fd get cancelled, xv is equal to fd, here xv, we put this on left hand side, we put this on right hand side, xv is equal to fd in bracket 1 upon x into 1 upon fd phi minus f dash d 1 upon d and 1 upon fd phi, operating 1 upon fd on both sides, we get 1 upon fd xv plus x time 1 upon fd phi minus 1 upon fd into f dash d 1 upon fd phi, 1 upon fd xv is equal to in bracket x minus 1 upon fd f dash d bracket complete 1 upon fd phi. Now some examples. Solve d square y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus y is equal to x sin x. Given differential equation is d square minus 2d plus 1. We put this to example in this form. Bracket complete y is equal to x sin x. Auxiliary equation of this differential equation is d square minus 2d plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, this is the perfect square of d minus 1 bracket square is equal to 0. The roots are repeated, d is equal to 1, 1. Are roots of auxiliary equation. Hence, complementary function for repeated roots is c1 plus c2x bracket complete e raised to x. Now particular integral is equal to 1 upon d square minus 2d plus 1 x sin x. Using previous theorem, x minus 1 upon fd derivative of fd is f dash d, that is 2d minus 2. Derivative of d square is 2d minus derivative of 2d is 2 and derivative of constant is 0. 1 upon d square minus 2d plus 1 sin x is equal to, in bracket, x minus 1 upon d square minus 2d plus 1, 2d minus 2. Here sin ax, that is minus 1 square, using theorem 1 upon fd square sin ax is equal to 1 upon f of minus a square sin x. Therefore we get here minus 1 square. Minus 1 square is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. 1 upon minus 2d sin x. In bracket, x minus 1 upon d square minus 2d plus 1, 2d minus 2. So minus 1 half 1 upon d sin x is minus cos x is equal to, in bracket, x sin x upon 2 minus 1 upon d square minus 2d plus 1 multiply by 2d minus 2, 1 half cos x is equal to x cos x upon 2 minus 1 upon d square minus 2d plus 1, and 2 get cancelled here. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x and cos x as it is here, minus sin x minus cos x is equal to x cos x upon 2 1 upon d square minus 2d sin x plus 1 upon d square minus 2d plus cos x plus 1 plus cos x, x sin x upon 2 plus 1 upon minus 2d sin x plus 1 upon minus 2d cos x is equal to, using previous theorem, here minus 1 square, 1 minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, minus 1 square minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Therefore plus 1 upon minus 2d sin x plus 1 upon minus 2d cos x is equal to x cos x upon 2 plus cos x upon 2 minus sin x upon 2. Hence general solution is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Y is equal to, in bracket, c1 plus c2x bracket complete e raised to x plus x cos x upon 2 plus cos x upon 2 minus sin x upon 2. Okay, we stop here.